3D visualization and quick design of a wooden toy penguin. Overall dimensions and material of the toy penguin. 3D visualization of final design of the wooden toy penguin. Let's do a quick design. Sketching and dimensioning for the main body of the penguin. Making the main solid body of the toy penguin. Added wooden material and appearances. Splitted two side faces for the stomach of the toy penguin. Applied black color for the two side faces. Sketching and dimensioning for the nose of the toy penguin. Solidifying the toy penguin nose. Black color has been applied to the nose. Sketching and dimensioning for the left eye of the penguin. Solidifying the left eye of the penguin. Making right eye of the toy penguin. Black color has been applied to the eyes. This completes the quick 3D design of a wooden toy penguin. Final rendered realistic photos.